Scape Coir Exports Private Limited. Very conversant and committed, guided by the Managing Director. The team is geared to meet customer requirements by providing on-time information accurately. The head office is very much closer to the Ports Authority, and that is one plus point in getting things fast as possible. They have also been very strategic in locating their factories, which we will see in a moment in few areas in the country where most of the coconut is grown. The company is fully equipped. As you can see, the head office and the factories are computerized and networked to each other. What you are now visualizing is the roadway to one of the factories, and you see the coconut cultivation beside. Sri Lanka is one of the major exporters of coconut and base products. Scape Coir Exports Private Limited. Here we see the fiber factory. Where the raw coconut husks are brought and it's been dumped into a natural lake which is in the land itself. It's a type of a natural basin that holds a lot of water. The coconut husk is kept for about 1 to 2 months for the diluting process of acidity. The properly and thoroughly wet coconut husks are taken out, and you may see the process now of coconut husk, which goes through a machine and takes out the fiber separately and the pith separately. It is 2 products in one operation. And also the large particles are separated, which you will see in future. It goes through a sieving machine into very small particles. The finished cocoa peat and the coir is separately taken to be dried. They generally dry it under the normal sunlight, but here what you see is that the wet cocoa peat is being sent through a squeezer machine in order to take the water fast as possible. 70 to 80% of water is taken out through the squeezer machine operation. Now you get the squeezed peat out. It's been collected and sent to the drying area. This is the part of the drying area where you get the coir being dried. It's done manually because the company believes that personal supervision is very important for this kind of operation. Therefore, there is a team who will keep the coir or the cocoa peat continuously dried under the sunlight. It's a load of coconut husk being brought to the factory from outside. And we believe there is about 15,000 husks in this lorry. Taken out, chosen one by one, separated into pieces further, and been taken inside to the factory for the cutting operation, chipping operation. Here you see the slicing machine which slices the coconut husk. That's the first step, and then it's been taken gradually to another machine which is further chipped into pieces. Coconut chips have been ordered by many countries. So in this factory, the coconut chips are the main product. Some of the clients, they require bulk orders, and some of them, they require the 25 kg and 5 kg packings. Scape Coir Exports Private Limited is prepared to cater to whatever coconut husk based products customers require. As you see, the chipped pieces have been taken. A water basin which holds about 10,000 gallons in each tank of water. It's been washed because some of the customers, they request for washed chips and unwashed. The water is taken out, and there is a squeezer machine here in the head tipola factory. 70% to 80% of water is being tipped out. Once again, the product is taken to the drying area. So you may notice that there are coconut husk chips, coir and cocoa peat. These are the three products that Scape manufacture and process. This is the 5 kg machine, and here Scape is rushing to finish a 5 kg chips order. It's been properly packed and stacked. Here, as you see, the chips are being taken and it's been taken into a machine to be pressed down. And it's a 25 kg pack which is coming out. Scape has given this order to a factory to fulfill Scape's orders, and they call this a sub-order. Scape is ready to even provide this type of product to their clients. Here you see container being finished. It's a bulk order. And the container has been moved to the seaport. Galle is one of the main cities in Sri Lanka, and it is attracted by many overseas. The Galle fort is a landmark which everyone is well aware, local and overseas both. The Galle fort is being maintained by the